Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to do a Sephora haul. So I did 4 separate orders on Sephora. I have a problem. But they just keep coming out with new stuff and I always want to try it. And I'm like obsessed with foundations right now. Or just like any kind of face makeup. And they just keep coming out with new foundations. So most of the stuff I got is foundations. Like I got 5 foundations. So first I redeemed for my birthday gift. And I am rouge, but I got an email showing me a bunch of stuff that I could redeem for. And you could redeem for 250 beauty points. And then like a few other items, but I didn't know that and I was just getting ahead of myself and just got whatever they showed on the website. I got this, but I originally probably would have got the 250 points, but I didn't see that till after I redeemed. So anyway, I got the Tatcha birthday gift. And this comes with a small rice face wash, and then it comes with the dewy skin cream and a little packet of the liquid silk canvas primer, which I already have and I really do like that. I love Tatcha, so I already knew that I could trust this product. So I definitely got it for just cute little travel size options for myself. The next item I got is a Voluspa candle. Now I always get these for family members like during Christmas and stuff, and I always love the way they smell. Like I've gotten myself one a long time ago, so I had to get another. But I got the 18-ounce vanilla latte candle, and look how cute this packaging is. Like it's just so fancy, and the scent of this is so good. It just smells like vanilla, and it has a tiny little coffee hint to it. Mainly it just smells like vanilla, but I'm gonna put this in my living room. The next item I got is from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is their new face and eye patch collagen hydrogel patches. Now I've tried all Peter Thomas Roth's like eye patches, and I really like the 24 karat gold one. I saw that he came out with this one, and I've been obsessed with like collagen products because I'm getting older and I'm getting more fine lines. This is the packaging. And it comes with little tweezers so you can grab the patches, but it comes with, I don't want to spill the liquid out. So it comes with eye patches, and then it comes with a centerpiece to put on like your forehead or your smile lines. And I've been obsessed with eye patches lately. I've been using the Patchology ones from Ulta, and I've been obsessed. So I'm really excited to try this. The next product I got is from Ulla Henriksen, and this is the Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. And I love that it's purple. But I just ran out of my First Aid Beauty moisturizer. It's like the collagen one. So I needed like a new cream moisturizer, and I've heard so many good things about this one. But this is supposed to deeply hydrate, improve skin strength, firmness, and elasticity with vegan peptides, ceramides, and collagen. This will be perfect for my aging skin. I got the new Eye Lift and Contour eye cream from the brand Wishful, and this is supposed to help depuff, contour, brighten dark circles, and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, it comes with like 2. I wonder if this is like empty and then you add this in there, or is it already in there? Oh, that's cool. So this comes out. So this is like the same thing. So you get 2 of the eye contour liquid or whatever. But I mainly got this because it has like the cooling depuffer applicator, and it feels so nice and cooling on the skin. So I'm really excited to use this. But I really like eye creams that are this convenient because I can just grab it and then apply it right like that. The next product I got is from Rose Inc. And this is the Hydro Replenish Moisturizer. And this is a cooling, non-comedogenic cream gel hybrid that nourishes and softens while strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. So they had 2 different sizes, and I just got the 0.5 fluid ounce. But this is the packaging. Very aesthetically pleasing. And then it has like a matte top. And it's definitely like a gel form, and it has like those little beads that you can apply on your face, and they'll just like pop with extra hydration. But I have super dry skin, so when I saw this product, I'm like, I have to try that. And it had amazing reviews, but I just got the small one because I have a lot of moisturizers I want to try to get through. I got 2 different detanglers. I got the new Sol de Janeiro Hair Milky Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and I love the scent of this brand. And this you can use as a heat protectant, and you can also use it to hydrate your hair and detangle. But I mainly got this because of the scent. My favorite detangler is this one from Drunk Elephant, and it is the Wild Marula Tangle Spray. And it's so small though. It's a 4 fluid ounce, and this is like $20, I think. But it's so good, I love it. I've repurchased this like 3 times now. The next product I got from the sale section. I don't know how to say this brand, so it's this brand. But it is a makeup removing cleanser, and it's a 10 fluid ounce. But it was like 12 bucks, and it had good reviews. So if it's like a fair price in the sale section and has good reviews, I'll probably try it out, because I'm trying to find good cleansers that'll help remove makeup pretty well. And this one cleanses, removes makeup. It has soft crystal clear skin crystal flower blend plus rice bran water, and you can use this AM and PM. So for the price, I had to get it. The next product is a primer, and it is from Give Beauty. This is the Gwen Stefani brand. I saw that she had a bunch of lipsticks and stuff, and I wanted to get one, but I have so many lipsticks, and a lot of them were like really bright, vibrant colors, and I've been really into nudes. I had to get this one because it has Meadow Foam seed oil, and that oil works so well with my skin. It like softens my pores and looks really good when I apply it before my foundation. And I have used this, so I put this on before my foundation, and it just really softened my pores and made my skin look so smooth. So the few times that I've used this, it's worked really well for me. The next product I got is from Liss Beauty, and this is the No Limits Cream Contour Stick in the shade Motivate Light. And this is so good. I've used it like a couple times now. I brought it to San Diego with me, and it just glides on the skin, and you can blend it in seamlessly. And the packaging is so cute. I don't know if I like that slant deal thing that they have going on, but it's super creamy and super easy to use. And the shade Light is definitely more on the warmer side, but I love that for my skin tone. I got another cream bronzer from Beauty Blender, and this is the Bounce Bronzer and Highlighter in the shade Medium. And the highlight is Champagne, and the bronzer is Tropez. And this is what the packaging looks like. It has the highlighter on the top, and then the bronzer at the bottom. And I have not used this one yet. I've swatched the highlighter, and it's definitely more of that creamier, bouncy kind of formula, but it's super smooth. So I can't wait to see how this works on my skin. I got one lip product from House Labs by Lady Gaga, and I got the shade Peach Matte. I've also used this product, and I love it. It stays on so well, and I don't even use a lip liner with it. But look how fun that packaging is. It's like a pen shape. It has a nice pointy tip, but I don't know if you can sharpen this. Like the bottom comes off, but it's not like a sharpener or anything. I mean, if it is, I wouldn't know how to use it. But I love this. It wears really well, and it's like my perfect peachy nude for my skin tone. The next product is from One Size Beauty, and I got the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio in the shade Very That. And I love this brand's packaging. It's just so cute. It's like this nice bubblegum pink. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have not used it, but I have swatched it. So it has a matte blush, and then like a blush shimmery topper, and then a cream blush. And the cream blush has like this little shield, and then a pretty good size mirror. But I love shades like these, just like the light pinky peach colors. Like I feel like shades like this are really flattering on my skin tone. I got a couple things from One Size Beauty. I also got the Turn Up the Base BB cream in the shade Light 2 Golden Undertones. And this is the packaging, and this is how you get the product out, like a little snap open, and you can squeeze it right out onto the skin. But this is a product that is 3-in-1, so it's supposed to help solve texture, prep your skin, blur your skin, and tint it. So I'm assuming like a primer, and then it helps kind of like soften your pores and then give you some coverage, and it is a soft matte finish. I don't really like matte foundations, but if I'm using like a nice hydrating primer or oil underneath, then matte foundations usually do work for me. The next product I got from One Size Beauty is Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, and I got the shade Light 3 Light Golden Undertones. I heard a lot about this product online, so I'm really excited to try this out. I don't really care for powder products either, but I do want to start using like a powder to set my foundations, because it definitely has helped my foundation stay on longer that I've noticed in the past. I got another foundation from NARS, and this is the Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Punjab. I always get that shade because it works so good for my skin, but the NARS Sheer Glow foundation is my like #1 foundation. I love it so much. So I have high hopes for this one. And this foundation states that it instantly diffuses light to blur imperfections and smooth the look of skin. It is a medium breathable coverage natural finish foundation all day wear. And this is the packaging. It is glass and it has a pump. I'm very excited to use this one. This is probably the one that I was most excited for. I got the new foundation from Kosas, and this is their Revealer Skin Improving Foundation SPF 25, and I got the shade Light Neutral Warm 170, and this is the packaging, a nice frosted bottle. I love the face tinted oil from this brand. That's like another one of my top favorite foundations, so I'm really excited to try this foundation from this brand. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, squalene, a lot of good ingredients in it, and I do like that it has SPF, so this would probably be a really good summer foundation. The last foundation I got is from Rare Beauty, and it is the Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. This one has SPF 20, and I got the shade 26W. So this one has a squeeze tube, and I love Rare Beauty's packaging. It's like really aesthetically pleasing. It's like super simple but has like a weird design in it, but I love it. So this foundation states that it is a weightless tinted moisturizer that instantly blurs and hydrates skin with light to medium coverage and a natural finish. And it's a squeeze tube. Their first foundation that they had, I forget what it's called, but it's like more liquidy and fuller coverage. I don't like that one. It did not work for me. So I'm very excited for this one. I bought this because Kathleen Lights said that she really liked it, and I feel like her and I have similar skin, so hopefully it works for me too. I got 2 concealers. I got the new Huda Beauty concealer, and it is the Fox Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. I got the shade Sugar Biscuit 3.5N, and I love Huda Beauty. I really do enjoy her products. Even that full coverage foundation that she has, I don't love full matte coverage foundations, but that one works for me. So this is the concealer, and this is the doe foot applicator. I can already tell this one might be a little too dark for me. It might just be the same color as my skin tone, which I'm not mad at. Like, I don't really like that super bright under eye look anymore. And this one says that it's water sweat transfer proof, and it's up to 14-hour wear. The last product is from KVD Beauty, and it is the Good Apple Lightweight Full Cover Concealer. And I got mine in the shade Medium 141, and this is the packaging. This is so cute. Like, I love that. And it's a really small doe foot, but that's what it looks like. And this is definitely more of a golden undertone. Like, I feel like this shade is gonna be perfect for my under eye area. It's not gonna be too bright or too dark. All right, that is everything that I got. I love doing hauls like these, and I'm so excited to try out all the foundations. Like, I've tried so many foundations and I still only have a couple that I really love, so I'm always trying to buy new foundations just to see what works for me. And my skin's constantly changing. Like, the older I get, my skin just looks better in other foundations. Like, when I was younger, I loved matte finish foundations, full coverage. Now I really like the light, super hydrating foundations, so I'm really excited to try all these out because I got like a good variety of it all. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next one.